Alright, welcome back, guys.
Thank you.
Alright. Guys, you both hear me?
Yep.
Go ahead, say something for me. I just need to make sure I can hear you as well.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Alright, come all the way to the edge. Left foot's right out there. Left, or right foot's here. There we go. Alright, just start with that seatbelt.
I can't. Oh, there we go.
Comfortable?
Yep.
Alright, you're all good, bring your legs back inside. Remember, you're not tightening the seatbelt anymore, just leave it the way that it is. How are you?
Alrighty, gentlemen, welcome back to Gunship Helicopters. My name is Matt. I'll be your pilot today. Any questions on the safety briefing?
No, I think we're good.
All good, cool. Got you on this camera right here. Don't wave hi to anyone back home.
Alright, cabin open on secure.
All secure, clear, right hand up.
Oh, left hand up.
Take our checks are complete, coming up. Alright, the power is good, on the go.
Alright, quick question. Are either one of you left-handed?
No, sir.
No. Is anybody from your group left-handed?
I don't think so.
Alright, easy enough. Where you guys coming from?
Phoenix.
I feel like I knew this stuff, but I gotta ask anyway, because it's been a long time. You guys were here, what, a year ago?
Year ago. And a year before that.
Well, thank you for coming back. It's not Kingsford Clear.
Roger that.
Oh, we got the air assault.
Yes, sir. I just bought an apartment in Arcadia.
Oh, right on.
Love that area.
Yep.
So you guys are flown with like every pilot we have, don't haven't you?
I think so.
It's always a different experience depending on who your pilot and RSL are.
Yeah, last year I shot the minigun. That was amazing.
Nice. Yeah, there's no feeling quite like that, I gotta say.
Michael's gonna shit his pants. Got one guy in our group who's never flown a helicopter before. He's scared shit.
A little queasy? Nice.
So make it extra special for him.
You got it.
Does he get motion sick or is he just scared?
He's just scared.
Alright.
Perfect.
Something like mine.
Should I start screaming? Nah, I won't do that. It's fucked up.
It's always good when the pilot says, oh, first time in a helicopter? Mine too.
That's new. Hey, North Kingsford Clear.
Roger. Yeah, I think I flew with you for the minigun, if I remember correctly.
I think you're right.
I say that joke usually most times. It's kind of funny with a minigun, you can feel it pushing the helicopter. I can put left side.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah. I think that's some power behind it.
Alright. So, just another reminder, once you get close to the range, I'm going to drop that gun down right in between us. At that point, just hang tight in your seat. Have to get it loaded and get it ready. Once I'm ready, I'll say keep your left foot out. I'll pass you that gun, okay? Any questions?
No, sir.
Alright.
You got cabin heat?
Not today, unfortunately. Range is clear.
Clear load?
Clear load, yep, sorry.
Roger. Load it.
You can turn the cabin heat on, but with the door off, it really doesn't do it, unfortunately.
It only helps the pilot.
Yeah, it feels pretty good over here.
Alright, 11 done.
11 time. Here's your duty discretion.
Roger, my two, left foot out, right hand pistol grip, left hand on top of that shot. Alright, as you're ready, I just start seeing the big white sandbags in the orange, white horse, black, you're welcome to shoot. There's the windstock landing pad, right on top. Look over to the right, you start seeing your first target. I'll let you know when to start. 11-3. Right, 11-3. Alright, ready to go right on target. Keep going. There we go. Alright, shift up, point to the top of the middle. Alright, next one's a big white sandbag. That's coming around, you're born right here in the cove. Get him. Alright. He's still moving, get him again. Oh.
Sorry,
Alright, that's okay. Alright, when that point come up, you have the white sandbag size there, that's right. Whoa. There we go. Nice. Stand it up. Just over the right. One more time on the twin. Umpire. Put you on safe, put it right back to target one. We're going.
I can tell you've done this before.
Is this still as fun as the first time?
Well, yeah.
Alright. Alright, about the 3. Send it. Now right on it. Alright, you can center it to the pilot. Oh. Dead trigger. What we got? Alright, take it up. Nice, alright, there's 300 rounds. Woo! Do we want to purchase another 100 rounds for $250? Are we all good? You want to purchase more?
No, I'm good.
You're all good. See you for next time. Weapons clear. Hey, Calvin, weapon on secure. All secure, dude. Alright. We're going to make our way back down to the pad. As soon as we land, just keep your head set to your seatbelts on. I'll give you guys that thumbs up. After that point, we'll do our seat swaps. Come right back up. And I have some wires. Two wires. I would like some G-forces to make you feel alive. No kidding, this is awesome. That is one downside of the miniguns, you can't fly it spiritedly with it on the side. A lot of weight. Alrighty, gentlemen, you guys get to pop those seats. Hang up the headsets, pop the seatbelts. First line is 4-7. Actually, it's probably closer to 4-9. It's just under 50. Rush. Alright, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Alright, all the way to the edge. Left foot down there, right foot about here. Alright, going to your seatbelt. Alright, so snug, not too tight. Comfortable? Yep. You all good? Bring your legs back to your side. You all good over there? Sure. Alright. Waiting on Franco. Alright, cabin 11 upstairs. Roger that. Alright, we are clear right now. Clear, left hand up. We take a sec, Dr. Blick with him. Alright, let's do it again. So I gotta ask, when you guys are in the casino bar dressed like that, do they know you want your drink shaken and not stirred when you get there?
Absolutely. We don't have to tell them anything. We walk up and they're already pouring.
Yeah, it's got Kingston close. Roger that. Alright, and again, just a reminder, once we close to the range, I'm going to drop that gun down right in between us. At that point, just hang tight in your seat. After you get it loaded, get it ready. Once I'm ready, I'll take it down left foot out. Back to that gun. Any questions?
No, sir.
Alright. And North Kingston clear. Roger that, range clear, clear to load. Roger. It's a little windy out here. Yeah, it definitely picked up in that last turn. Well, it's on. 11 times. Appreciate your discussion. Roger, my dude. Left foot out. Right hand, pistol grip. Left hand on top of that stock. Alright. Done inside the SOC in the big white sandbag. The big orange, white, or black. You're welcome to shoot. Up the wind side landing pad. Be right on the top. If you look over to the right, you can start seeing that first target. I'll let you know when to start. By the 3. Roger, about the 3. Send him. Alright, there we go. Good go.
Alright. Get trigger. A little bit longer on that trigger.
Okay.
Pull nice and hard. Hold it down for that good 3 to 5 seconds. You can't think what 3 to 5 seconds is. Just see how die, motherfucker, die? Is it pulling? Keep it running. There we go. Just like that. Keep it going. Perfect. Nice. Finish that part. Running. Down a little bit. There we go. Nice. There we go. Hold fire. Put you on stable. Right back to target 1. We'll keep going. What do you think? So as far as first time?
That is great.
Ever get those?
Love it.
Alright. Alright, so it's I think we have one other person that's been out here more times than you guys have. So I think you guys are like right up there with like the most physical and we can never forget you guys because you're just so sharply.
Yeah, we're right up front on your Instagram page too.
Oh yeah, you are on Instagram too, yeah. Alright, right hand, left hand. Your shooter. Target my shooter. Level 3? Level 3. Alright, turn him. Down. There we go. Alright. Down the right. Alright, there you go. There we go. Swing on your ass. Alright, do we want to purchase anything anymore?
No, I think we're good.
We're all good. Alright, weapons clear. Go bring the left foot back inside.
Good stuff.
Hey, having a weapon on secure.
All scared.
Awesome, guys. And just to try and make up for those 240s being down, we give you guys a fun way home. Alright, here we go. These things have been a headache since we got them. And again, we'll make our way back down to the pad. Keep your headsets and seatbelts on so I give you guys that thumbs up. Hope you guys had an amazing time, which I think you guys do because you've been here times now.
We're going to keep coming back till we have a good time.
Well, that's good. We look forward to seeing you again next year.
Absolutely.
Stay wired. I don't need to tell you to come back because you guys already do. We had that guy come out and fly with us. I don't know if I told you that last time or not, but
that's awesome.
he lives in Las Vegas. Or he did at least. I'm not sure if he's still around, but who? He was a real Vietnam vet and came out and did some shooting. Right when he very first started. Alright, gentlemen, thank you so much for flying with us again. Have a safe rest of your trip. Alright, Roger that.